Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Agus Kurniasi. I come from the city of Singkawang. I'm a student at the Tanjung Pura University, Pontianak. To be exact, majoring in biology education. Here, I will talk and express my opinion about government regulation regarding the provision of going home. 8. Homecoming is the moment most eagerly awaited by Muslims throughout Indonesia to stay in touch and gather to celebrate it with their relatives. Unfortunately, in 2020, the Indonesia government prohibited Eid homecoming due to COVID-19 pandemic case, and it is very unfortunate that this year, 2021, the government also prohibits people from going home for it, as we know that there is news about the central government issue a ban on homecoming on Eid al-Fitr 1440 Hijriah, starting from 6 to 17 May 2021. The reason the government issued the ban was because last year 2020 there was an increasing trend of cases after 4 long holidays. Then another reason is that the government wants to keep the trend of decreasing active cases of corona in Indonesia in the past 2 months. Therefore, the government has taken the decision of implement the 8th homecoming ban. In personal opinion, responding to this prohibition, I don't agree, considering that before it, outfit active are also very free, people can travel anywhere, but it must be followed by the implementation of strict health protocol. We can apply rules for residents who want to go home but not in the form of a ban. We can take the example of Singapore, wherein the country the rules for entry and exit of the area can be done without a ban. There is not prohibited from entering the country, but there are 14 quarantines rules and a positive attitude. Corona must go to the hospital at their own expense. The ban on going home, it certainly makes the atmosphere for it become lonely. Unlike it before the pandemic, even though communication technology has now developed, so there are no boundaries to communicate, there is still a sense of being like. In my opinion, this pollution not only has an impact on the lack of intensive of family gathering, but also has an impact of decreasing the income of people who depends on the month of Ramadan, especially during the homecoming season. Of the people feel that the destination of the government is also inaccurate, even though it has not ended the concern for family in their hometown is still one of the concept of some people, but it is not is balanced with terms, which is currently opening everywhere. Why are tourist attraction allowed, but to return to the village must be prohibited? The police is also ineffective because surely many people will violate this rule going home. It should be the right of each individual if with the prohibition. But many violate the rules. It is also useless that strictly prohibit the Lebaran homecoming to make the community increasingly increase so that is it bad and harmful to themselves. The government should be able to rating about the ban or be able to find another alternative so that people can go home. But positive case of corona can still deadline. I also hope that whatever the rulers are can be the decision for us together and not harm any party. Hopefully we will anyways be given health and always avoid things that are not desirable. So many speeches from me, more or less I apology. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.